Hey, happy Monday. Today is Monday, November 22nd. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Beautiful Saturday, wasn't it? Sunday? Yeah, okay. What's going on? Did you see, how did Kyle Rittenhouse get off like that? Wow. I wasn't on the jury. It just seems like he was guilty. So they must have had some good information that we didn't have, because I believe that good conscious people made a good conscious decision. In any case, on Friday also, did you see what happened for the very first time in our country's history? Do you realize that for a few minutes there, Vice President Kamala Harris was acting president because President Biden had to have a physical. So she was acting president. The first time in our country's history a female has ever been acting president. No matter how short it was a first there. Let's get to today's topic. Today's topic is tax premiums credits from the marketplace. How does that work? Well, here's the rule of thumb. If you fall below 150% of poverty, you go on Medicaid. If you're 400% above poverty, you're self-pay. So in between that 150 and 400, the marketplace comes into play. The way that works is based upon income, not assets, income. So you could have all the assets in the world, but with no income, you could find yourself on Medicaid. Or you could have all the income in the world, but no assets, and you can find yourself a self-pay. So between those two is where you would fall. Because it's income-based, somebody who says, I have a $20,000 income could get this much money. Somebody who says, I have a $30,000 income gets this much money. And somebody who has maybe a $50,000 gets about that much money. So it's very important to know what your income is. And what if you tell me, or the marketplace, that you have $20,000 income, so you can get this big, huge tax credit, but in reality, you have $50,000 and you get about that much income? Well, that is always justified on your tax return. Let's look at a tax form now. Every year we estimate somebody's income. And speaking with a lady on Friday who, her income, she told me, is what she thought it was going to be, but her husband came home with a bonus. And oh my gosh, she had a heart attack because she had to pay back all that credit because she went over the 400% threshold for poverty. All in all, when you're working on this, have a good idea. And what happens if you tell me you have this much, a tiny little bit of income, this much income, but you get a new job and it goes to this, and it goes to this, and it goes to this, and it goes to this? Well, at any point in the year, when your income changes, you can give me a call. You can call the marketplace 1-800-318-2596 and tell them that your income has changed, and they'll adjust that premium credit for you so you don't have a big surprise come tax season. Lastly, what's going on here at the MLD Agency? Well, it's open enrollment still. We're open enrollment for senior citizens and for the under 65. They're combining the two like that. So, of course, we're busy. We're going out of our mind here. But we're continuing to enroll people. We've done a good bit of dental insurance ancillary coverage with the dental insurance. So don't hesitate to give me a call. Numbers at the bottom of the screen. See you next week. Have a happy Thanksgiving.